In the previous video, we saw how to install Nodejs application using AWS Web Console, which was a manual process. Now we'll be seeing how to automate the same using AWS CLI. For AWS CLI to work, we need AWS CLI installed and access key, secret key downloaded from AWS console in advance. We have a separate video on how to install and configure AWS CLI. JSON query or JQ is used to fetch VPC ID, subnet ID and AMI ID and needs to be installed. For this class, we'll be using existing default VPC. You can create your own VPC if required, but you need to tweak the script accordingly. In order to create subnet, we need VPC ID, which we will fetch using our script. Once subnet is created, open port 3000. For this demo, we are using Ubuntu and fetching Ubuntu AMI ID. User data is used to run scripts while launching an instance. Last step is EC2 launch instance command. In this, we'll use subnet ID, AMI ID and user data. First, I'll copy this command from the automation from GitHub. The link is given in the description. I will open install Nodejs awscli.sh file. Now I'll break down this command into 3 parts. AWS EC2 describe VPCs will give you the list of all the available VPCs in JSON format. Then JQ is used to filter out the required data from the JSON. Here the .vpcs is the root element. The square brackets are used because it is an array. jQuery is case sensitive, so here the V should be capital. Select acts as grep, which will search for a following keyword. In this case, it will search for isDefault true. The VPC ID is now extracted from the JSON with double quotes, which causes errors in the automation. Here comes the tr command. tr acts as the search and replace command. In this case, it replaces and removes the double quotes. This will be the same for the rest of the commands. Now to check my server, I'll copy my public IP from the AWS console. Here I'll copy my public IPv4 and I'll paste it in the URL followed by :3000, which is the port which is given in the security groups. As you can see, the server is up and running. So that is how you automate AWS CLI. Thanks for watching this video.